feeling, Tam?
I'm feeling okay.
Okay, feeling organised?
Not really, but I think they're more organised than we are.
Yeah.
Balance itself out.
So we're on the way to the storage unit with a truckload of stuff. Still more than I thought we would have. But what do? Do you get rid of everything?
Oh, is that a question for me? No.
You don't get rid of everything.
Well, when you think you're coming back, you don't.
Yeah. 12 months is not that long.
No. And if it's stuff that you really like and you want to come back to, like 12 boxes of kitchen stuff.
That you want to come back to.
That you want to have when you come back, then you keep it. But yeah, I don't know, four throw cushion pillows is probably not necessary to pack.
4 throw cushion pillows is a lot.
I had to fill up the space about a half a bag.
Yeah. So apparently everyone's tired or not. Ziad thinks that we're gonna fit everything into this little space. Looks so small. Tam, stand in the room. Put your arms out. So yeah, we'll see.
Almost.
All right.